What's good, guys? It's your boy Token. Getting ready to go to the import versus muscle meat in Arlington. I'm in Grand Prairie, so I got to transport my way to Arlington, which is like 8-10 minutes down the highway. No biggie. It's at Eskimo Hut from 6 to 9. It's almost 6. I'm waiting on my boy Zach to get here, the man of 20 cars. And when I say 20 cars, he literally has like 20 cars sitting in his driveway, and not a single one of them is stock. They're all hooked up, bag slammed, lifted, cammed, all that good stuff. So waiting on him to get here, and then we're gonna go get into some shenanigans, some car stuff tonight. I know there's a Friday night drag race going on at Texas Motor Speedway, the NASCAR track. I live like 30 minutes away from it. If you don't know where Grand Prairie is, that's in Fort Worth. But waiting on Zach to roll up. Excited to see what he's gonna be in, and we're getting ready to go to the muscle versus import meet. Hey mother, you buy me a Bentley?
Mm-mm.
What about a Lambo?
Mm-mm.
What about a Ferrari?
Mm-mm.
A Kia?
No.
Man, your boy can't even get a Kia around here, man. And to think, I was trying to be compromisable. Trying to vlog here, and I'll trying to vlog here. Gracias. But yeah, your boy can't even get a Kia. So Zach rolled up in the SRT Chrysler 300. Motherfucker is. Give me another one. It's the first time I've heard it. I think it's the man with the plan right there.
What's going on, YouTube?
What's up, dog? It's been a minute.
Been a little bit.
This mug is fucking nice.
I know, man. I couldn't afford a CTSV, so.
Really? They're about the same price point, aren't they?
Not for the miles that I got this one in.
Being racist.
I'm just my homeboy. He's got that mixed interior. He don't like this black interior.
Damn.
Yeah, he got that mixed interior, man.
Biracial interior.
I'm Puerto Rican.
Puerto Rican.
Czech. And Lebanese. I don't hear nothing about race, motherfuckers.
Like I said, he got that mixed interior.
Bro, he's a super immigrant, nigga.
I am, exactly. Don't call me white. I ain't white.
I didn't. I said mixed.
I'm mixed as fuck.
Audi drivers just run the world. I'm just gonna get through here. It's like, fuck it. Me love you long time. I'm just gonna zoom in on him. 40 minutes after leaving the house, we met up with Corey. We're supposed to be meeting up with Hunter as well. Hunter's stuck in traffic because there's a Rangers game. Corey had to go meet up with his wife. Me and Zach are meeting up with somebody else, but we beat them there by like a whole 10 minutes, so we came to the gas station to get something to drink. Check out that interior on the Chrysler 300. This is actually my first time being in a SRT 8 Chrysler 300. Like, it's actually pretty damn flawless if you ask me. SRT stitching, it's got the carbon fiber trim, it's got the carbon fiber panel along here, it's got it in the doors, everything nice and digital. Then you got the gauge cluster over there. Pretty damn legit. And that's one of the good things about me and like all my friends. Like, everybody has a different vehicle, whether it's in the same category as a Chevy, Ford, Mopar, Chrysler, Dodge, all that stuff. Like, everybody's ride is different. And I got friends that have some crazy killer imports. I got friends that have crazy killer exotics. I got friends that have a shit ton of muscle cars, because basically all my friends have fucking American muscle. We live in America and we live in Texas. It's a Texas thing, you know. And TX2K is real big here. Streetcar Takeover, Texas Invitational, Texas Mile. I could go on and on and on what Texas is iconic for. So it's just the diversity in between all the cars. It's kind of cool. And tonight at the import versus domestic meet, it's kind of going to show that. And I'm going to try to do my best to get a bunch of different stuff. I don't have a thing to like mute out the wind, but I plan on trying to do like some cinematic stuff or cinematic stuff, whatever. Like, and a lot less talking, a lot less me, and a lot more content and a lot more cars. 800 horsepower. You them bald eagles. You know the great thing is?
Didn't even look.
But you know what the other great thing is? He can't see me filming him.
Fuck, I couldn't even see you in the car.
Yeah. We found the cleanest ride here at this meet. I was talking about the bike too, not the Mustang. That sucker is fucking sick though.
Everybody who came, it's like 15 people.
He'll pull in forward. El Gato.
I just didn't remember doing exactly that. Like, that's something I didn't say that. I wish I would have said it tonight. Like, that's like something like.
That's fucking sick. Shit. LS swap it. That's what I said when you rode by. We got the tow truck lurking back there. Thinks he's slick.
So great.
Bad boys, what you gonna do? That thing got a Hemi? Damn, I missed my ST.
I heard it's like the new thing. Oh
Eventually down the road, we're gonna get
like
the 2.9 Whipple crusher.
Oh, okay.
That'd be the dream, is to swap this out and put a 2.9 Whipple on it.
I wonder if someone would buy the supercharger.
He's all bitching about that. And then I guess he texted me and was like,
And that would conclude this car meet. I'm not even gonna end it with the outro because I haven't even been talking. Heading back to the casa, rolling deep with the boys. It's been a good day.